The welding program at Kirkwood has been really fun. You do a lot more hands-on. The guys are great, the teachers are great, the environment is awesome. There are 3 other females in my class currently, which is awesome because women are truly starting to come out and see that it's a career opportunity for them too. While currently enrolled in college, I have been working part-time at Hawkeye Weld in Iowa City. I've been getting to explore different welding techniques that we haven't learned yet at Kirkwood, along with doing different cutting techniques in metal as well.
I decided to try out the Advanced Manufacturing Academy because at Marion we only had 2 welding classes and I wanted to further my welding skills.
My favorite part of the academy would probably be my professor as well as the students. My professor is very well known. He is very hands-on. He will push you to your limits. High school students earning college credits will definitely better help them in college. It takes some of your gen eds out of the way so you can better pursue the career you want to in college.
In 7th grade, when I came to the STEAM Institute event here at Kirkwood, I got to walk through the shop and I got to use the lathe to make a pawn for chess, and then I also got to use the virtual welder, which made me fall in love with welding.
Getting involved in as many shop classes as possible, taking classes like math and science seriously. Art, at the same time, I always say there's a combination of math, science, and art, so taking those classes seriously, but just doing anything you can to get involved and get your hands on things and get your confidence up.
I would definitely, if you want to go into this academy, I would definitely suggest taking a welding class before, because then here you can define your skills.
I recommend as a high school student getting involved in every activity that you can because it will help you with your time management in your career and college in the long term. I've always been a creative person and I've loved to work with my hands. Ceramics and drawing is something that I took in high school along with all my shop classes. Ceramics is very similar to welding in the way that you shape things and piece things together. The Advanced Manufacturing and Welding Academy put me ahead when I got to Kirkwood main campus because I was already so far ahead of the other first-year students.
If you're interested in the arts or you're a creative person, welding could be a perfect career choice to explore.
The Advanced Manufacturing Academy has better prepared me for life after high school, definitely, with communication skills, time management, just kind of having the different skills that some other people wouldn't have.
Current high school students should consider taking Kirkwood classes while they're enrolled in high school because you can really just get ahead of whatever program or career that you're looking, not just welding.
For women who want to go into welding, I would definitely, you should try. Even though it's a male-dominated field, that doesn't mean you can't try to join in.
Traditionally, this isn't a field that women are in. There's no reason that women shouldn't be in this field. It's high paying, there's incredible opportunities out there. And just, having more diverse population in the field is only going to make the industry stronger.
If you have an idea, go for it. If you want to pursue something and have no idea where to start, I would definitely try Advanced Manufacturing and Welding because it is a very well-paid career, as well as you will get so many new skills.
If you're considering getting involved in welding, I'd say just go for it because there's really nothing that you can lose from the experience and everything to gain.
Just give it a try.